In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share Google Drive folder link on WhatsApp. So basically, what we're gonna have to do is simply click on New and then click on New Folder. Now here you can name your folder. Now make sure you are in My Drive. So after we do that, we're gonna have to open up the folder and then here you can add all your files. So I'm going to use this one as an example. So let's add it. Now as you can see, it's loading. Now if you want to share this folder on WhatsApp, you're gonna have to go back to My Drive, select the folder and then click on Share. From here we just have to simply select Restricted and click on anyone with the link. So basically this will help us allow other to view this without having to add them manually. Maybe there are a lot of people that wants to see this folder with this with these files. So simply select with the link, copy the link, and then you can send it on WhatsApp to whoever you want. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.